The Lion and the Four Cows: A Lesson in Unity. In a peaceful meadow nestled between rolling hills, there lived a lion named Leo. Leo was known for his wisdom and fairness. He had 4 loyal cows: Daisy, Bella, Rosie, and Buttercup. They were not only his companions, but also his advisors. Together, they formed an inseparable bond. One summer, a severe drought struck the meadow. The once lush grass turned dry and brittle, and the water source they relied on began to shrink. The scarcity of food and water became evident, and Leo's 4 cows started to worry. One by one, they approached Leo with their concerns. Daisy, the eldest and the most experienced, suggested, "Why don't we each go our separate ways to search for food and water? We might cover more ground that way." Bella, with her gentle nature, spoke next. "Perhaps we should take turns, ensuring that each one of us gets a chance to eat and drink. That way, no one will go hungry or thirsty." Rosie, the optimist of the group, had a different idea. "What if we pool our resources? If one of us finds a source of food or water, we can share it equally among all of us. This way, we all benefit." Buttercup, always resourceful and practical, proposed yet another solution. "Why not seek help from the nearby forest animals? They might have knowledge or resources that could assist us." Leo listened carefully to each suggestion, his eyes reflecting the wisdom of ages. He commended his cows for their creativity and care for one another. After a thoughtful pause, he spoke. "My dear friends, your suggestions show how much you care for the well-being of all of us. I have decided to combine Bella and Rosie's ideas. We will take turns foraging, ensuring that everyone gets a fair share. And, if one of us discovers a new source, we will all benefit." The cows nodded, reassured by Leo's decision. They set out to implement their plan, taking turns searching for food and water. In their unity, they overcame the challenges posed by the drought. As the weeks passed, their strategy proved successful. They found new sources of water, and by sharing their findings, they all thrived, despite the harsh conditions. The moral of this story is clear: unity, collaboration, and fairness lead to success, even in the face of adversity. When individuals work together towards a common goal, everyone benefits. How to apply the story in real life? Teamwork and collaboration. Encourage teamwork and collaboration in your workplace or community. Highlight the strengths of each member and find ways to combine efforts for greater success. Fair resource allocation, whether in a family, a group project, or a community initiative, ensure resources are distributed equitably to benefit everyone involved. Problem solving and compromise. Teach the value of listening to various perspectives and finding solutions that address the needs and concerns of all parties involved. For more stories, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.